So today we're back with another video, and I know it's been a long time since we uploaded one because we were a little busy because my grandparents had the housewarming party and we were busy decorating and everything for it. So I wanted to apologize for that, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Today, after having our journey from Vizag to Bangalore, we're gonna have lunch and I'm gonna show you where. You're kind of gonna go be surprised, so be for it.
This is how you eat.
Look at us. This is how to eat. We should keep this is how. This is how. Hi. So the rest of this is just us talking and eating and, well, awkwardly laughing.